What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, back with another video today. First, before we start anything else, before we get into anything else, a word from my sponsor, Peyton. Who's my sponsor?
Jesus.
Jesus. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross, and he looks up to God, and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? In that moment, God was forsaking Jesus. He was turning his back on Jesus. Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. He's never going to leave me. And that's because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking for me. He took it for me so that I don't have to. So thank you, Jesus, for sponsoring me so that I can make these videos and I can talk about you in the videos. I wanted to make sure that I got that out of the way. I wanted to get that out up front because I feel like there's going to be a lot of new people watching this video. If you're new watching this video, welcome. I'm going to get to the main part of this video, the itsy bitsy part of this video, in just a minute. But I need to talk about why I wanted these shoes and why they're so important to me. If you're new here, I'm gonna have a 2,000 sub giveaway for shoes like these. Just pan real quick. Yeah. So you can see these shoes that I'm gonna talk about just these in just a minute.
Even the baby shoes?
Sure. Okay. And I'm not giving them away. I'm gonna buy another pair and give it to them.
Oh.
These are ours. And then also Shark Slide giveaway is probably live now. So that video is gonna be live for probably 2 weeks or so. And you need to go comment, make sure you're subbed, turn the notification bells on so you make sure you keep up with the content. But comment on that video, go watch that video and comment on that video for your chance to win your very own Shark Slide. I'm gonna have it shipped to me to make sure that we get it in time and get it right, and then I'm gonna ship it to you, most likely. All right, so twinning. We twin here, don't we, babe?
Yes.
I've seen like conversation on the internet from sneaker dudes about twinning, and some of them are like, nah, you don't twin. Like, that's just not cool. But I twin with everybody in my family. So Peyton's behind the camera today. We had the same size shoe. So we had the same size shoe, and we both have one of these. So we twin these every once in a while. It's been a while, because I haven't worn these in forever. So actually, you have an extra pair, Peyton.
Really?
You can wear these if you want to. The other ones are fine though. Yours are nicely worn. Like, they look good.
Yeah.
You can tell that they're worn. They're a whole lot more worn than these. But anyways, Peyton and I twin these. Recent video just went up because I just got these. Trent and I, my soon to be born son, and I will be twinning these one day. We'll get back to this in just a second. This is the first pair of shoes that I bought for Trent, and this is my pair. I probably won't let Peyton wear these because 11s are just delicate. Yeah. Okay. You don't like them?
I feel like they would just look huge.
These are Hesper's. I think Haley might have worn these once, maybe twice, but Hesper wears these. So we got a triple twin, or the triplets here on this one. I'm gonna move some of these out of the way.
Slowly breaking down.
These are mine and Hesper's. I don't think Haley likes 12s at all, so Haley hasn't worn these because she and Hesper wear the same size. But Hesper and I have worn these together a couple times. I think I've only worn these twice. This is like a high dollar twin. These, I hit on this retail, bought this StockX afterwards for Hesper, for us both to twin on, but this is one of Haley's favorite shoes. Another twin with me and Hesper and Haley. Another one of Hesper and Haley's favorite shoes. Another twin with the two of us. Jordan 1 High OG University Blues. And then this is a twin with me and Atticus. He's worn his quite a bit. He just beats his shoes. Oh, and Atticus and I have another twin. I don't know where his shoes are because he beats them and they're probably disgusted. But he and I both have those. And Grandma has those too, so we triplet that every once in a while too. All right, we're gonna cut this video really quick. I'll be right back. I just need to clear the table up. I forgot one more twin. I don't remember what size this is, but we both, these would be Trent's. I don't think he's gonna be able to wear these till he's like 3 or 4. So I'll probably have to get a new pair by then because I wear these. But this is another twin. But that's kind of the problem. Similar problem there. These are both 2Cs. These are crib booties, so crib booty, yeah. These are not. But like, he's not gonna be able to wear these till he's like 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Right? And that bothers me. And 2C is the smallest Jordan or Nike that's made. So that I know of, that I can find. So if you know anything else, let me know.
There's like the sock ones, kind of.
I don't want socks. I don't want just socks, because socks look like socks. And we need to twin shoes, not socks. All right. But that's where this comes in. Yeah, we saw it at Hit It today, right?
Yes.
That was the store we went to. Like, there's a little box that has a onesie and some socks.
Mm-hmm.
And the socks they might have a Jumpman on them or something like that, but they're not shoes.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to be wearing socks. Like, I mean, I'll wear socks, but I have to walk around with my shoes on.
Yeah.
And I want to be able to twin with Trent on his way home from the hospital. And I think this is going to do it. So this is ITZY BITTZY. I started off, and I haven't worked with ITZY BITTZY. I did send him an email, though, because depending on how this video does, I kind of want to, because I think it'll do well. The Shark Slide video, I mentioned the Shark Slide stuff. That right now, Peyton, that video has 10,000 views in 2 weeks.
Jeez.
Yeah, and it's getting a lot of people from off of YouTube to YouTube. Like, it's on the first page of Google when you Google Shark Slides. The first page. Yeah.
Of y'all?
Yeah, the video of us.
Oh my
video.
goodness.
Our video. All right. But I feel like this might do similarly. I was, just scrolling through Facebook, and you gotta make sure to pay attention.
Yeah.
You're looking at something over here. I was just scrolling through Facebook and Instagram and stuff, and you get ads everywhere, right, Peyton?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you get ads everywhere, and some of them you're really not sure about. But this is one I saw a bunch, ITZY BITTZY, and I was like, all right, let me just see. And I hesitated for like a month, and I finally placed an order. And these are sized for newborns. I think they're measured in centimeters, like maybe 4, 6, 8 centimeters. I can't really remember. Maybe we'll have a packet slip in here and we'll be able to see. But I'm hopeful that we'll be able to twin with these on the way home. Okay. From, this is weird.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Thank you. We started ITZY BITTZY just a month after our son was born. Although time has flown by, seeing all our little ones in our handmade pieces gives us those beautiful new baby feelings all over again. Thank you for choosing IB. Oh, ITZY BITTZY. Your business is greatly appreciated. Please share your photos with us by using #ITZYBITTZY and tagging us on your social networks. 10% off your order with Happy Babies at checkout.
Only happy babies? Only happy babies?
All right. So this is 0 to 3 months, and it's 9 centimeters. This one is 9 centimeters. This one is newborn 8 centimeters. And I don't remember exactly what this one was. So these are actually socks, but they're made to look like the Jordans. So these right here. Yes. All right, I'm gonna open this one first. I chose this one because Hesper and I both have these shoes. I don't know if Hesper's gonna be wearing shoes when she leaves the hospital. She may not be wearing shoes, but this might be the pair that I'm gonna wear when I leave the hospital, if these will fit Trent.
Oh my goodness. They're so cute.
There it is.
They're little baby socks.
So I was worried that when these came in, they just wouldn't resemble the shoe that they're supposed to.
Yeah.
And can you tell? Can you see it? Is it clear that this is those shoes?
Kinda.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Like, if you first look at the shoe, it's like, unless you compare it with the shoe, yes.
So
That
they
makes
don't look
sense.
the same?
They do now.
They do, yeah. Okay.
But far away, I'm just like, I don't know what that is.
I was also worried that they were just going to be flat and you wouldn't really be able to see what they look like. You wouldn't be able to see the shape.
Yeah.
But they have little plastic forms in there so that you can clearly see what they are.
Yeah.
All right, there's number one. What do y'all think? This is the Jordan 12 Royalty. And you can tell this is a Royalty because it's got the gold here and the gold up here.
It's cute.
Specifically this gold is what makes this one a Royalty, specifically a Royalty. All right, number one. I'm happy with that one. I'm not blown away, but I'm very happy with it.
I can't wait to see the
Which one?
what's the colorful ones called?
This?
Yes.
Biohack.
Yeah, that's what it is.
All right, this is, which one was that? That was the newborn. The Biohack now is.
We also made one of those biohacks for the baby.
Yeah. Hesper actually made that one up there. out of some other shoe that she found and just made it look like this one. Now this.
I'm excited for this one.
Yeah, this is good. Oh yeah.
Oh my
That's perfect.
goodness. It's beautiful. I love how it has like the little like.
Yeah, that's they can't put a swoosh on it, or they don't want to put a swoosh on it, which is fine. And this is like I said, you can tell that one.
Yes.
Is it easier to tell that one than this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, this one's so cute.
So they have like a non-skid bottom.
Yeah, I like it.
The non-skid bottom.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like a bigger kid could probably wear these. I don't know if a kid's going to be wearing these when they can walk, but they're significantly smaller than Nike's 2Cs.
Yes.
Let's get this out.
Oh.
We need to be able to compare to the booty, because this is definitely more like a booty than a shoe.
Does this one not have laces?
No,
Or is it just
this is Velcro.
Oh.
This has laces though, like it is actually laced.
That's cute.
Like
So
it.
is this one.
Man, look at that. Yeah,
No. I think y'all should wear that one.
but Hesper doesn't have one, so we can't triplet it.
Well, you
Triplet
said Mama might not be wearing
Yeah,
shoes.
she might be just be wearing socks or something like that. Like we'll probably bring her out in a wheelchair. Yeah, she'll be okay. All right, that's all right. I like this one a whole lot better. And really, the Jordan 11 isn't my favorite silhouette either. Like I said, I got this one specifically because Hesper and I both have them, and she really likes hers. I've only worn mine a couple of times. I've worn these many times, and that's a good one.
That's really
It's
cute.
like perfect. All right, now Peyton, you probably won't know, but y'all can comment down below. Now, what is this one? What is this one supposed to look like? Get this one out of the way. No. All right. This is a very high top. It's going to keep his legs warm, his calves warm. But this, I don't have it. Is this? Do you remember the name of the colorway? It's my favorite shoe ever. No. Concord.
That's what
This
it
is the
was.
Jordan 11 Concord. I believe this is. Oh, it did actually have. They did put the 2.3 on there. See the 2.3 on the back.
Aw.
Although
No.
the newest Concord,
Oh yeah, I was like,
the newest Concord doesn't have a 2.3 on the back. It has a 4.5. But the Concord that I would prefer has that. It's got the icy outsole and the dirty outsole, but icy outsole, blue and blue. This would be the black patent leather. Itsy Bitsy, I need you to get this right. Like if y'all are watching this, I need you to get this right. This is the Concord. Do you know what color Concord would be, Peyton?
Concord?
Yes. It's purple.
What?
It's like the Concord grape.
I didn't even know that
It's
was.
purple. And the traction pads on the bottom of the Concord are purple. So put a little bit of purple down here. But I may have my Concords by then. But
That one's not a Concord, right?
this is not. This is a cool gray. This is this one.
Okay, because you're just confusing my brain.
I just wanted a Jordan 11 up here. We could have put this Jordan 11 or that Jordan 11 or this Jordan 11. I think that's all the Jordan 11s. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah. We could have put any Jordan 11 up here, but I put this one up here. I left it up here because I had it up here for this.
Oh, and I was like, you already have one. And then I saw you have that one.
So, out of these three, this is absolutely my favorite.
Yes.
Absolutely my favorite.
Absolutely.
This one, if only it had the purple, it would have been. What is that? Do you know what that is? What does that look like?
A swoosh. No, it's
these don't
not.
have
It's not a
swooshes on them.
swoosh.
But
Let me see.
I don't know what it's supposed to resemble. I mean, that's where the Jumpman goes. Oh, this one is a little different.
Maybe it's supposed to be like
That's
a
like
Jumpman.
that's like a ribbon.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this, I mean, they have Jumpmans here.
Maybe because they can't put a Jumpman, so they just.
Yeah, this kind of looks like, okay, this, I can see why this one resembles the Jumpman. This one just looks a little bit different. focus. All right. Like I said, my opinion here. We got these 3 itsy bitsies that are filling a gap that I need because these won't fit a newborn. But out of these 3 itsy bitsies,
comment down below which one's your favorite.
I'm going first, second, third.
For me, it would be definitely first, second, third.
Do you like this one better than this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's a little weird.
It's really high.
It's very high, yeah.
That's
But it's
not
not higher than this.
Yeah. But this one's cute like that because this one's really
Actually,
high.
it was a little bit high. I mean, yeah, but the one is actually higher in real life. And these are obviously made to look like real life. That is what they're for, and they fill this very important gap for us.
And that one's my favorite. And this one's second and
Absolutely.
third.
Absolutely. Biohack. They have a bunch of others. They have some Yeezys. Right now, the only Yeezy 350 that I have, I got rid of several. The only Yeezy 350 that I have is the blue tint.
I need you to get one of these in a panda dunk so me and him can match.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't remember seeing a panda. But,
Well, they need to make one.
I mean, this is panda-ish.
No, I need a panda.
It would have to look more like this, just black and white. Yeah. All right,
Yeah.
We'll see. I don't think they make it, so ask them. I gave them my YouTube channel so that they could see the video.
Yes, y'all need to make a panda dunk high.
Panda Dunk High.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So they make a whole lot more. Like I said, they make Yeezys, and the only 350 that I have is the blue tint, and I actually haven't even worn it. It's the wrong size, about a half size too big, and I'm looking to trade it for an 11.5, but I can't find it, so I may not even have that one by the time it comes. And I just like Nikes and Jordans better, and these were the 3 that I knew I wanted. And like I said, this is why, and I'm impressed.
Yes.
I'm impressed with all of them. I don't know that I need any more though. 3 pairs.
Just one more.
Huh?
Just one more.
Oh, the Panda Dunk, you're right. Because Peyton wears the Panda Dunk, but I think you wear those dunks a lot, most days, or at least you did for a while. So I don't know if they're gonna be around by the time he's able to wear these by October. I don't know. We'll see. All right, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these. If and I just kind of feel like this video might do similarly to the shark slide video, and if it does, I'll get a couple more of these and I'll give them away.
Needs to go up like the shark slide. The shark slide one needs to.
Needs to.
Yes, it has to.
All right. Remember, there is going to be a shark slide giveaway. It will probably already be live. I will put it in the card in this video. I'll put it in the description down below. Make sure you go over there and you commented on that video, and you're subbed to the channels for your chance to win a shark slide. And most valuable sub, we're going to be at 2,000 subs here pretty soon, and I'm going to crown my most valuable sub, and that's the person who I can see is interacting with my videos most often, most frequently, and with the kind of comments that show me that they like my content. Because if they like my content, they're watching it all. Their comments would show that. YouTube likes that, so I like that. All right, thank y'all for being here. I'm impressed with these shoes, with these baby booties, and glad that I got them, because now I can twin with Trent. And it may mean that I just have to get my Grail, my Concords by then. There was a pair of Concords at Memory Lane the other day, used for a good price, but they were discolored, like they were too old.
Yeah.
So, not too old, but too used.
Worn out.
No, they weren't that bad, but more worn out than what I wanted. So, but I can get them at any point. I'll figure it out. But I may just have to do these.
Yes.
This word. Yes.
Yes.
All right. Thank you for being here. Smash that like button on this video. Tell your grandma, because grandma, especially new grandmas, might be want to buy these for their newborn grandchildren.
Yes.
And girls can wear these too. They got some pink ones on there too.
Really?
Some girly ones, yeah, for girls. But thanks for being here. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see y'all next time.
Bye. You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers.